How to enable advanced comment filtering on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to enable advanced comment filtering on Instagram. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once here, tap on the menu button in the top right hand corner. Next, tap on settings, followed by privacy. Then tap on hidden words. And the second option down is advanced comment filtering. So make sure you have this one toggled on or off depending on what you choose. So it says additional comments that may contain offensive words and phrases will be hidden. You can always review and unhide individual comments. So that's all it takes to enable advanced comment filtering on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.